Alrighty, Melissa. This is Eternal Dreams that we got you writing music and composing for. What you're going to hear the sample music I've been sending you, used in locations, just so it's easier to code for. Generally speaking, coding while we are fighting with building a scene, it's easier to have music first and then code second. But I can understand the dilemma you're in, where you've got to have the scene first to be able to write the music. So it's a new process for us too. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide several videos on YouTube here, and they're going to be composed of just areas. And the reason why is it's easier to show you kind of what's going on and let you get a feel for it and have you start from there. Some of the music, like I said, you're going to hear is just sample stuff that I've sent you. It's other stuff I've got on my computer that I've just been using in place of it to help write the scene, kind of giving you an idea of what I hear in my head. It should be fairly simple overall to get squared away, but I wouldn't say anything too rough. You'll see gameplay footage and whatnot. Now, bear in mind that I know you want to write this for like one character and whatnot, but there really is not a character that we're following on this. I will show you some of the characters, give you some ideas for them, but generally it's more of the scene and the ambience I want you to write for, if possible, than it is for the characters, because the characters I'll make fit in the scene, and that's easier to do. So yeah, it's like I said, you'll see exactly what I mean. But Eternal Dreams, because you're able to see this, you'll see some other odds and ends. So the video itself is going to be composed of some odds and ends. You're going to be introduced to the intro here. Don't worry about the story, because the story really is just way out there. It's all over the place, and I want it all over the place so that people think they're following one character when they should actually be following a different character. And I'll show every little nuance that I can see as a potential that it should be done in general. If there's any area I think that you should be looking at, I will be sure to get that set up there. This opening scene, the surround town music you made, is absolutely phenomenal. It works perfectly because when you go into a small village, you can just hear the babbling brook right now. You can just hear the soft chirps of birds. You can hear the wind just blowing through the trees ever so quaintly and softly, and it fits great for that reason. Some of the sound effects you're not going to hear at all, because either A, I don't have them, or B, I just haven't implemented them yet. Right now I'm just trying to write script, get the story done, and get the music set. And